How to fix Google Drive keeps disconnecting on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Google Drive keeps disconnecting on Android phone. First open settings and now scroll down until you find here apps and then click apps again, and here just type drive and then click on it, and now click force stop and then click storage. Now click clear cache and click permissions, and here click storage and click allow, and now go to data usage. Don't forget this one here, background data. Maybe you'll find it like that. Click allow and also allow mobile data, and then go back to power usage details and click launch settings. Here we'll find manage automatically, disable it, and allow run in background and click OK. Now just go back and try again and your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.